Good evening, dear friends. Welcome to Learning English with CaptBinoyVarakil. Today we learn English through cooking, and we are making a wonderful, delicious evening snacks today. And this particular evening snacks is really very crunchy and tasty, and it is delectable. It's delectable, and this particular healthy snacks or even tiffin can be just made and used throughout the year, any time throughout the year, regardless of season, no matter whether it is summer, whether it is rainy season, whether it is winter season, any season, any time during the year, this particular crunchy tiffin healthy snacks can be made and used, and it's really very healthy. It's really wonderful and healthy, and it will just give you a lot of energy, lot of immunity, lot of power. And everybody in the family, all your guests and friends and even your neighbors, if you give them a little bit, will like it. So let us see how to make this enjoyable, palatable, flavorsome, wonderful navy salad. Today we are making a wonderful navy salad, and now of course let's see what are the major ingredients to make this healthy tiffin, this crunchy navy salad. Oh, let's see what all ingredients we need to make this wonderful delicious navy salad. It's easy to, of course, make at home. Anyone can make it anytime, and it could be made in the morning. It can be used as a breakfast in the morning. It could even be used sometime before lunch, sometime after lunch. The very right time is, of course, evening, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or even 5 o'clock. So it's really very wonderful. And of course, the very name navy salad comes from the habit of navy people just making it and having it. Okay, so the ingredient we need to make this delicious navy salad, first of all, is we need onion. This is of course red onion. I'm making salad for 5 in my family, so we have red onion. We are using 2 red onion, and the next is of course today I'm making this delicious navy salad with roasted peanuts, right? So this can be used with ordinary peanut. Now it is just roasted, and now that it is roasted, it will be more tastier. So I'm using this roasted, and this is just 150 grams. That is enough for 5 members of the family. Besides that, we are adding some tomato, some red tomato, and dear friends, when we mix it, the color, this red color, will be just giving a beauty to, of course, this salad. And besides that, it is of course making our salad all the more delicious. And now, besides, we are adding, of course, some garlic. I have 2 small pieces of garlic here. We are adding a lemon, and we are also adding a little bit of coriander leaves here, and we are using this coriander to, of course, garnish and the salad. And this coriander is also adding better flavor to the wonderful navy salad we are making. Next is the great pepper powder, the great Indian black pepper powder. I have collected it from my own farm, and I just collected it, and it is of course going to add a lot of taste and flavor to this great navy salad. So these are the main ingredients: 1, 2, 3, the peanut, the red onion, now of course the tomato, the garlic, the lemon, and coriander. Okay, so with this we can make this wonderful, tasty, delectable, healthy, rejuvenating, refreshing navy salad. Now let us just chop all this into small pieces. First of all, I'm just chopping the red onion. Thereafter, of course, we'll chop the tomato. Then afterwards we will chop the garlic and we will mix it. Just let's just chop it right now. I have chopped everything. I chopped the red onion, I chopped the tomato, I chopped the coriander leaves, chopped the garlic, and of course cut the onion. And I also have some salt here, and everything is ready right now. So my friends, each time I prepare this delicious, this delectable and flavorsome navy salad, my mind goes to the past, and I remember some of my friends who were with me sometime years ago. And I remember my colleague Lieutenant Commander P.I. Devasya. I remember Lieutenant Commander Sanjay Babu. In fact, we were all together, and many evenings we have we had in the past, of course, made this wonderful navy salad. And I remember those great moments with Lieutenant Commander P.I. Devasya. He was, of course, it is he who taught me how to make this particular wonderful navy salad. Yeah, I have added the red onion, the chopped red onion onto the peanut. All right. So I remember my colleague, Lieutenant, now recently he got retired from service. Okay. I remember Lieutenant Commander P.A. Devasya, who is, of course, my teacher of this particular wonderful crunchy navy salad. Now, of course, I'm adding the reddish, beautifully reddish tomato close to the chopped red onion. It is looking, of course, quite wonderful. So we have the color of the red onion. Now, of course, we have the tomato cut right, and now, of course, we are just adding the we have a little bit of we don't have to have too much of garlic. I have taken a small piece of garlic and I'm adding it into it. And now, yes, I am also adding, I have the very greenish coriander leaves here, and I'm adding the coriander leaves. So right, it is added, I'm just it is added as a, it is just garnish, right? Coriander leaves is just garnishing it with the coriander leaves. Okay, so besides that, of course, I am adding a little bit of salt as well. I have some salt here, and I'm adding the salt as well right now. Okay, so it is just now I have a little more salt is required. So yeah, adding all the salt right now. I'm adding this. This is most essential. This is a very wonderful the spice that is giving so much of taste to it. That is, of course, the black pepper powder. I'm adding a little enough black pepper powder. And now, of course, I'll be just mixing it right. I'll be just mixing it, and it would be quite wonderful. So once we finish mixing all the peanut, the red onion, the tomato, the coriander leaf, the salt, and the pepper powder, yeah. Now, of course, the very smell of the pepper, the smell of the coriander leaves, the smell of the red onion, everything is just creeping through, of course, my nostrils, and oh my God, I can feel the very delicious. Now, okay, I'm taking this piece of, not taking the entire lemon. I'm taking just a piece of lemon, and I'm just squeezing drops of the juice of this lemon. This very juicy, and it is, of course, going to add more taste and wonderful flavor and a little bit of sourness to, of course, this great delicious navy salad, right? Okay, now the task is almost over. Yes, it is almost over. Now I'm just mixing it once again, final mixing. All right, and now, dear friends, our delectable flavorsome delicious evening tiffin, or the very delicious navy salad is ready here. It is ready. And I have been assisted by my little daughter Angeline. Angeline is here. I'm just giving her 2 spoons. Right, you need more. Taste some 2 spoons, right, and see how it tastes, right? Okay, and I'm sure you'll be asking for more. Okay, dear friends, and it is ready. Now I'm just giving, right, 2 spoons of this great healthy, rich with proteins, rich with, of course, a lot of nutrients, right? It is nutritious, healthy, and it will be giving you health, strength, energy, a lot of immunity. And I'm just giving it to my daughter actually. Just have it and just tell me how you feel it. Okay, all right, just munch it and chew it and make it juicy. And when it is juicy in your mouth, you can feel it, right? How do you taste it? Super. Okay, so she says that it is super. Let me see whether it is super. I'm just taking a little bit. Okay, and let me see whether it is really super. Okay, yes, let me just taste it. It's really super, my dear friends. It's really super. Like Angeline said, it's really super. Now that sour taste of the lemon and the flavor of the pepper, the taste of the tomato and the red onion, and of course the coriander leaf, everything is just mixed, and the very juice of all that together, and the peanut. Oh my god, it's really delicious. It's really wonderful. And dear friends, no doubt, I assure you, you will definitely like it. Everybody in your family will like it. Please make this great, delicious, crunchy snack, this great navy salad. Give it to your children, give it to your guests, give it to, of course, any of your family friends. You will like it. It could be given throughout the year, regardless of season. Anytime you can give it. It's going to make you healthy. It's going to make you strong and powerful. So I just request everybody to have it. Okay, so today we learned a lot of new words. The first word we learned today is, of course, right, the tiffin. Tiffin is in fact an Indian origin English word which means, all right, a meal for, of course, sometime in the afternoon, 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Another word we learned today is delicious. Another word is delectable. Another word is flavorsome. Another word is, of course, right, enjoyable, right. So let us use all these words in our day-to-day life, and let's be masters of English. Let us be, of course, fluent in English. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you so much for being with us. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.